Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Crity React. So guys, as soon as we get monetized, we'll be kicking off with our giveaway. And keep watching Crity React. Keep streaming our comedy. Watch it to the end. Like, subscribe, and share it to all your social media platforms. Because as soon as we get monetized, I will be starting our giveaway. Alright guys, without further ado, the comedy video you're about to watch is very, very hilarious, and do watch it to the end. And also, without wasting of your time,
this mommy is very sweet, oh.
Bushman. Not permit, it's juice.
Juice.
Remember when we were young?
Which particular time?
Remember Chidemma?
Is it that one that her mother used to sell granite?
Yes, at the junction there now.
That the girl has a big bumbo. Hey God. But I thought you guys had one thing, two thing like that.
I got her pregnant.
You got her pregnant?
Just like
what
that?
What did you do about it?
I denied it obviously now.
Deny.
Wicked man. You're a wicked man. See what you did to that girl. You see your two daughters, they will do it to them.
I trust my daughter, they can never do it.
Okay.
Okay. No, boss.
Hey! She shocked me. Who am I seeing?
Shemaka,
Papa, I can explain.
explain what? Who gave you this thing?
Femi.
Ah.
Hey! No man, no.
Okay, man.
It can never be my second daughter. My second daughter can never disgrace me.
Another one is coming.
Hey, what's the meaning of this?
No, Papa.
What is this? Who gave you this one? Who gave it to you?
Ooh.
Papa, it's Femi.
Civilization. So happy, Femi. How?
For me, don't get
Femi! They like
Oh, you're the Femi. You're the Femi. How? Dead body for something. What can you say? One day, what did I do?
run.
Is it me?
Papa. Is it the general?
Hell! Shasta! Femi Morolo, my best in-law.
Hey.
Very sharp. You gave my two daughters belly.
Even the wife.
Femi.
Jesus.
Femi, my wife also.
Oh.
Femi, my wife. Femi, why?
This is not what a man do.
Why are you gay?
No, daddy, nothing happened. No, it's just food that I eat. I was turning my stomach. Nothing happened.
Oh.
You get luck.
Before people would come here, I could have killed a lot.
I thought you even gave the boy the left.
Jesus.
No money, no
100.
No money.
1,200. When you don't have money, close your eye when you see woman.
If I see my baby again, this guy, if I see my baby again. If I see this guy, if I see my baby again. Bro, show you for not leave him. See me see wahala. Get where they make me happy. Now they say make I no because now babe, but your babe they make me happy now. Okay, who go they make me happy if I leave your babe?
He needs big slap.
Maybe I'm not good enough. And who told you you're not good enough? Look me. What if I tell you, say this image you see on the mirror is just a reflection, not be the real you? What if I tell you that what you have inside of you is bigger, smarter, better, and even finer than you think? Wow. No, listen now. Imagine being God and having a human experience. God. My Baba, there is nothing you cannot do. You will be limitless as long as you put your mind towards it. Come on, ginger yourself. Ginger yourself. Ginger. Forget about the looks. All these things, it go fade away. Forget about what people will talk. People will always talk, whether you like it or not. All you have to do is to burn like fire, flow like water, express like air, and cultivate like earth. And I dey assure you, this 24, it go yield fruit. That thing where you plant, it go grow. Wow. It go grow. Relax. Oh, this thing don't ginger me. This thing don't ginger my spirit. 2024.
It's not just the cover. An emotional quote for you. You ginger yourself. Not everything.
Please don't come down from the car. Let me go and talk to them, okay?
Okay.
Now, I don't know. Okay, well done. I won't fix my car AC. 45,000. Una fit do am abi?
Hey, don't calm down.
Can you guys fix the AC already? I'm so hot.
You brought this upon yourself. Oh,
every day for my pay, and every day for my pay. Mommy pray for me, every day for my pay.
only
Madam, your bill is 4.5 million.
45,000 you talk just now.
Now 4.5 we tell you before. So put here down.
No problem, I will pay.
I will pay.
Congratulations. This is 3 plots for you, and this is 3 plots for you. So when do you start building?
Baba, give us the next week.
Jesus.
The AC start working again.
Madam, you have to get a new engine, and that will cost you 24 million naira.
Whatever, I'll pay.
Thank you for the happiness.
Natija was looking at you.
Every day for my pay, and every day for my pay. Mommy pray for me, every day for my pay. As I dey walk, I dey pray. Money must come my way. Don't let me go.
You cannot spoil my
Every day
business.
for
You
my
cannot
pay.
spoil our driver.
Okay. I don't be this. Now that be this. Carry them. If this can come back again, I'll arrest 2 of you. You know those criminals.
I say go put the fan bed back. The fan bed in my hand. Jesus. Idiot, go put the fan bed.
Fix this car, let's leave this place.
Officer.
My brother, you don't be beat anybody now to smoke it, go.
I beg, why not fit more? This can carry you again. I'll arrest you. See your face. Criminal.
Charles.
How want to buy car this December now?
What's up, man? I need a mechanic. Bro, you look like Metro too much.
Thank you for the happiness.
The best comedy so far.
Madam.
I swear.
TalkLess. Have fun now.
I do. Merry Christmas.
Same to you.
May I come?
Come now.
Your husband no dey house?
You know they will just come out.
Yeah, give me Christmas, Christmas.
Christmas guy don't finish. I don't share them for everybody. I don't see you.
I'm not here speaking out.
Every time I want to like this.
The only way I don't WhatsApp for my husband. You know, chop am. I'll bring her for you.
Your husband food. Okay.
Thank you, madam. God bless you. I don't know what babe.
Continue. No problem.
My husband said don't come.
Don't stop.
No worry. Sit down. Eat your food. Tell me you come quick. What's happen?
Let's have it.
Hunger.
Hunger?
Hunger. I don't almost spend myself for here.
I
beg. Just go and bring my food.
Your food? Okay.
Where is she going? God, did you keep any food?
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
What's in this?
The both of them actually knelt down.
What do you have?
Now the food I give talking.
You give my food, give visitor.
My food.
I'm not going to eat this food.
I don't go chop waiting. Go bring spoon, come.
Okay.
What type of plane is this?
Oh, what a generous man.
Go chop them together. Bro, this food don't go finish me.
Are you playing?
Jesus, man, bro.
Jesus.
I dare not agree. For my food. Sorry.
This man don't hide.
You fool.
Madam, I can't give you a plate, but I don't chop her.
If I'm short of words.
Okay, I don't tell you now. Say if you want to trade your Bitcoin and your gift card, trade with Blaq Trade, you know. They are fast and reliable and their rate is high. Message them on Instagram or you chat them on WhatsApp. They do very reliable. Hi girls.
Jesus Christ.
Hello, I'm talking to you.
I don't understand. Can't you see we are taking pictures?
I just want to have your number, nothing serious.
Are you deaf? Can't you hear her? We're having a shoot. Excuse us.
Oh my God!
I'm so sorry. I didn't know the name of this kind.
I thought I was talking to you the other time. People are shouting at me.
What do you mean to you?
Women.
You are using my car to snap picture and you are yelling at me.
Yo.
Can I ask you something?
He was even sure the car opened.
I don't do bogus. We get out of here.
Wait, wanna see if he go drive out.
Oh, thank you. You don't let me shame my enemy. I never even say this car deal with yourself. Young man, officer, what happened?
This is stolen vehicle. We've been tracking it and we trace it down here.
What? The under arrest. So you are the one that stole it. Yeah. I was just taking picture of that. That's all.
We go and display at the station.
Come outside. I took the big picture now.
How you want to well, play fire. Oh.
Hello, bestie. Can you come over? I'm bored.
What about your boyfriend?
I've broken up with that one. Just come over. I want to tell you something.
You will see me now.
What's Wabi?
Small piece. Clack.
70 years old. Yeah, touchdown, no so get me. If I know that I'm not one of them.
Please, you wanted to see me.
You look like Metro too much. Has anyone told you that?
Wait. Is that why you called me?
Yeah.
Okay, let's just go inside.
No, don't bother. That's the only thing I wanted to tell you. You can start living.
Bombastic side eye.
I resemble this guy. No, nah. This guy fine pass now.
Some people don't know me.
Hello? Please stop calling my number. I'm not organizing any meet and greet with Metro and Jago. Please giving all these people my number. What's happening?
You never see.
Lord of Jesus, waiting be this. Waiting be this.
Bro, you look like Metro so much. They will keep calling the girl.
They stop you. You don't know yourself, I mean.
Officer, calm down now.
To the station.
Police and station and into motor.
Wait.
Tiens.
There go. It not go better for you. It not go better for you. It not go better for you.
Very bad boy.
How do you want to tell me where I want mess? I mean, how do you rush at that motor?
You never see anything.
Win a gift from one
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my
offer.
God.
Register with my promo code PillsBet and get 300% bonus on your
A
first
grown
deposit.
up man,
First,
you're
take part
for everywhere.
Place bets on any sports events. Collect promo tickets and
Check
take
this
part
with
in
someone
super prize
police. If I
draws.
don't come
Win
down,
cash, laptops,
maybe
smartphones,
friend.
bonus points, free bets and lots more. Swipe up to register and participate.
So, Papi, you see, after tediously, meticulously, and perspicaciously purveyed and tediously analyze all through this cosmopolitan metropolis, I'm happy to bring you to these locals. You can see that from here down to where that stone is stopping is actually 100 by 102 plot of land. And if you globetrot, peregrinate, and gallivant all through this cosmopolitan metropolis, you can deduce that this land is actually at the heart of the city, as you can see all through. So what we are doing currently is that this land is just for a diminishing, not a pantagruelian or brobnignagan amount of modules or spondulis and wonga, but just for a diminishing amount for you to take without actually berefting and dislocating your pocket.
Okay, now school I come here. I tell you say I want buy land. Where you gonna bring all this long English? I don't understand what they talk. Now so you take the handle your customers. In fact,
come here.
Sorry, let me pipe you for your hypothalamus, hippocampus, and medulla oblongata to easily comprehend. So as you can see, this is 100 by 100, and we're just selling it for just a giveaway price.
That is 20,000 naira.
No, just 70 million naira. If you're ready, let me just sign the papers.
Okay, if you sign this paper, God go punish you. I get 70 million, now stand here with you. If I get 70 million, I don't contest as president of this country. I tell you for your office before they come here. I tell you, say, waiting I need now 100 plot of land. In short, I don't vex. 150 plot of land for 100,000 naira. If you don't get them, you tell me. Not be today I waste my time. Now I find another person.
You know, since the first origo that we prepared and gallivanted from my office locals, you did not actually give me the crinkum crankum and the full rubrics and details of what you want. But since that is what you want, I'm happy to tell you that I have it.
400,000.
See, I have about 150 plot of land for just 72,500 naira.
That means I get change for peace. Yeah, no problem.
Since we've settled amicably, can you both propel, galvanize, and catapult ourselves to the locus and envelope that the land is currently situated at, so that you can purchase and acquire?
Let's see
what is
this
propel?
land.
Let's go to the land. Let's go to the land. You will love the land. We're almost there. Just a few more walks. And so as you can see, this is the terminus aquam, and that's the terminus aqua of the land. If you look further, you can see that there's extra plots there. If you can clear it, you can collect everything. That is, I'm giving you over 200 plots of land for a token of 72,500.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, but before you purchase this land, let me give you the full ingredients and nuts and bolts concerning this land. I want to warn you, this land is flagellous, flagellitious, coca-demonic, and fiendish, and it can extirpate, decimate, and terminate a Homo sapiens.
Okay. I know you like too much talk. I'm a Tanzanian, soon to be millionaire. I don't like talking too much. I love the land. I want to purchase it.
Papi, let me still retreat. I still want to warn you that this land is Mephistophelian, odious, barbaric, and fiendish, and it has terminated and kiboshed a lot of Homo sapiens.
I know what's in the worry, you na hunger. And this one don't hammer your sense. We are talking about business. You are here speaking long English. Call your account number, I send you money.
Papi,
15238884 Jabin Bank.
I don't send you your money. I add 2,000 on top. Use that one, chop.
Congratulations. You see, I've been trying to sell this land. It's been very, very hard. But congratulations.
You are buying a land just like that.
So since you purchase it,
no papers,
this is the whole papers
demanded
the land. Let me also warn you that before you do anything, you have
check
to
papers.
make sure that... Hey, Papi! What are you doing?
I want survey land where I don't buy now.
You enter inside the land. I just warned you right now that whoever steps into this land dies instantly.
Jesus.
And you still entered without even calling a pastor to pray for it. Can't you see the two people that stepped inside that died?
Okay, you don't tell me on time now. You just stay busy, they speak grammar. I don't know say now wait till they talk. Come back with the go, I beg. I don't want this kind of land.
Are you playing?
Only at the job. Come back with the go now. Hey!
He's gone. Otila. Otila.
You can come here talking now.
I'm tired now. What's this now?
Amaka. Maka no disappoint me now.
You are not disappointed.
You know,
Amaka disappoint.
Something like this.
You there or something? You take up concern because of that one. Yes! Since when me and you know the date, I won't ask you. What say I don't achieve for this relationship? I never achieve anything for this relationship. Over 6 years. But since all on the man on the date. I never achieve anything.
Oh my God, she not true.
I'm true.
He said not true.
Our wife, I tell you, know the go anywhere. You know, say not better or worse.
See this one. You will worse past your friend.
Jesus! I'm a Romeo Sakuru. Don't worry. You see this girl? Don't be your girl. Don't be understanding girlfriend. Now misunderstanding girlfriend. Don't worry. I get one short place. Where you will receive better babe from different states, different countries. She na Dubai, she na Yaki, she na anywhere. They go head. I swear. Now my short mind TV. All you have to do is message this WhatsApp number. Registration is just 10,000 naira. We'll give you any kind of classy babe. You love I go. Man, show you girls. Hey, like this one.
This one, Madu.
Like this one.
This Madu.
Like how many girls you say you want?
And I go need that 4.
I'm a young man 4. They'll go fall in. I don't order. Ready, come.
I don't order.
Osaporo.
Hey, voila.
Hey, Papito.
You okay?
Okay, Papito.
My body dey do me like this.
You know the greet? Amaka, disappointment.
Obìnrin.
Amaka, you dey do cup.
Now why I break up?
Jesus! Oh no, fine.
I broke up to hook up. I broke up to hook up.
Wale, what am I saying? Olúwa ò ṣe é fún mi o, Baba. Ṣé pé mi mo lè arrest ẹ? Finally, I can rest. Farabalẹ̀, mommy, calm down. I'm dressed like a priest because I'm on my way to location. I've decided to start acting whilst I'm looking for a wife. Wale. Yes, now. So you see me on GoTV and DSTV. You know they even have high quality family entertainment this festive season. Shows like The Theory of Breakfast, Hook, Man Friend, they are currently showing. And I know you don't want to miss it. So I'll be seeing you on TV this festive period. Yes. Another women that are looking for potential husbands. Visibility for me. I mean, you don't want me to bring Genevieve home. Bring her home. Mofe, I want. So to all the existing customers, they should subscribe and reconnect. And to the new customers, they are welcome to subscribe to Premium Entertainment. Yeah. Mommy, I'm already late. I will catch you later. I need to be on set on time. Nitro Johnny. Maybe you must set this on Utono. Sure.
Bros, good afternoon. Blessing come on punishing. Now the time I'll give you be this. No traffic too much now. I beg no shout for me now. My work be this. Mama no shout for you. Until you this your head and take jam gate. Enter inside now. Go entertain my guests.
If I die now for here, people go die for this street. Which one me this?
Why did they do like this? They do like this. Why? I should say why they do. I not tell you what they come here country. I not tell you na cut this for na here party be this. Enter inside now. Behave yourself for me. They will not go beat you. Hello. I think number one don't like it.
Hey!
My boy. Look that number one drink when you poison. Now this guy go drink.
Okay.
Ingo Ceylon.
Blood of Jesus.
Ojuku. Jesus. Omo. I saw I die you.
I tell you, see that my guy as he just come back from US too. The guy will just come with DLK. You self, you know, go find something to do. Maybe you go to the US.
Which kind of talk is this one? Don't be all of us gathered in the area. Why you never go to the US?
Me and you did the area. Waka fast now. No, Lagos people. Never die with me.
No. You don't do that. What's up, man? How you doing, man? Yeah, I agree with you. Man. I just got into town from the States, bro. I came to check this out. You know, I'm fixing a little thing for Mama. You know.
Now you get this house.
It's a little something. They needed to change apartment, so I just said, let me fix them something.
Yo, you fresh.
See this wristwatch? It's a custom piece. It's in the gym, bro. It's only me and Jose that got
It's
the gym.
being fresh for me.
Me and 50. It's a collaboration. It's Kenzo.
Well, Allah
Reese,
Jotter
bro.
is coming.
I don't know what you're saying, bro. Damn, this old man. He look like Matron.
Hey, me the old man. Baba, never.
No, old man, see, you look like Matron too much. Ain't nobody tell you that.
Hey, too much.
I got the full album in my head.
Hey, me fool. He just come back now. He just come back from US now.
You know where they call me fool? That's what they talk for Yankee. No be you dey follow talk.
But I said I want talk to him. Hey, accent now.
Oh yeah, dúró ni. Ẹ̀yọ́ máa le. This yam look like Metro too much. Ọtí lọ.
Who Is that metro too much? Metro too much here and there.
These people they can't collect trash, never can collect all this trash. And I no get time to go that junction, go through this thing. No. Anytime they come, they go carry am.
Good day here, come outside. Good day here, come outside.
Good afternoon, sir.
If now you be never me, I agree to good afternoon, you go answer. JP, you know I'm pay never bill. I don't cut your light. For the next of TS, if you get light, you will know say I know they work on NEPA again.
Wait a minute.
What's that there?
There is nothing. There is no reason for you not to pay NEPA bill. If you get light again, you know me, Abi. If now our office will come collect on NEPA, your this thing. You dey take me play, Abi.
Sir, but you can at least just have this now.
Why go give me old NEPA bill now? What? Why you go? If now you go bring collect them, why go they give me old NEPA bill?
Is this that serious?
To my office.
What type of plane is this?
Well, I know Ikeja and how they come now. You come tell yourself rubbish, no say artists when they show.
Is this so serious?
Jesus! My God.
And the guy is actually looking for who will help him throw away his debt. But God so kind, he brought a good a good handsome guy to help him out. Imagine, he even gave that guy money and the guy was like, "Hey, you gave me a dirty, stupid NEPA bill." Alright guys, I believe you enjoyed this comedy video, and if you just stumble upon this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notification bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be first to get alert. And also like and share this video to all your social media platforms. So guys, what is your favorite moment on this comedy video? So on this video, I will be drawing your attention to most and very hilarious scene that you may not have found funny. I want you guys to see them right now. So guys, the funniest part, one of the funniest part and funniest comedy is Nasty Blaq. You need to see what happened there. That is why I always say this festive season, a lot of people actually, came from abroad to greet their family here in Nigeria. A lot of them actually did that. But this comedy is actually trying to let you know that whenever you're going out with your person that came from abroad, don't allow them to calm down, especially when you are going with them to repair their car, to fix one or two things in the car. Some bought new car and you need to fix some things like servicing of all those kind of things, to make the car smart on road. So guys, but don't let them come out. Don't let them come out, because mechanic will take advantage. They know they use ear, yes, it just come from abroad. Wow, what is supposed to be 10,000 will be 100,000. This comedy is actually trying to explain that to us, let us understand that this festive season, keep your abroad man or abroad woman or abroad relatives at home. Don't let them follow you, because it will cast at the end. So Nasty Blaq, first told this driver that he's going to repair this motor for 45,000. But when he saw this woman, he might just take and say, "Now client be this. I don't blow." When he said it's 4.5 million naira to do AC. Nasty Blaq and Lasisi. Oh. That was guys for that. And at the end of the day, they started buying things, and the part that actually got me going gaga is the ending part of it, when they were contemplating how are we going to have this car, how are we going to buy our car. We almost bought our car before this bad luck came. This guy brought police. Now how are we going to buy our car? They've already bought their house, all this kind of thing. But all of a sudden, bam, another metro. Too much came. How much can you fix my car, man? And the thing that actually got me is the way Lasisi jumped to hug Nasty Blaq. And I'm really happy for them, because God has actually granted them a prayer. You know, all these policemen in Nigeria, they love doing this thing. They are fond of this bad habit. If they just see somebody, maybe say he just get car, all their mind be say that person a Yahoo boy. They know they take their eyes see person be say they no call am Yahoo boy. The next thing, boom, you just jump and land yourself inside the car without even proper investigation. And all you could say is, let's go office. You don't even know if this person is a government official, you don't even know. All because he just has a good car, because he's driving a good car, dressing well, looking good, looking fresh. All your mind is Yahoo 419. It's very good. I love what the driver did. I mean, the victim here, I love what he did. Slow and easy. Gas. And the guy just said, calm down, open the motor, let me calm down. No, you for no calm down. If I may, I'll not go grey, I go lock the motor. We go that office. Let me see if you will not suffocate in the car. Head boy. You know, head boy actually denied somebody's pregnancy, his girlfriend pregnancy, back then when he was still young, and his friend actually told him that this pregnancy you denied, your children will experience it. Somebody will deny your children, or will do your children what you did times 10 of what you did to other people's daughter during their young age, all those kind of things. But he thought maybe this friend is joking. Nothing like that will happen. I trust my daughter. He has not even finished saying it. Belle don't come. Who gave you Femi? The other one, who gave you Femi? Even his wife came out. Only you Femi. The show and she gay. That is the worst thing that can ever happen to any man. And the last one we say could just make me faint. Say, this Femi they send her from village. And when the boy, the son, come and see vomit. If the way they look I don't think he didn't explain himself or more. His father would have just collapsed because he would say, my enemy has done this to me. Even my boy will not give her belly. Why is it that boys don't use ear to hear? Hello, please come. I'm bored. I want you to stay with me at home. Whenever any guy hear that, he don't even mind to use plane. If possible, just banish pion to the house. Not all house you go, not all call you answer. Boys, what is there in the nyash that? Oh God, boys cannot use ear to hear. Hello, I'm bored. Why now? Why? Look at Sydney Iwundu now. You just rushed there and you didn't even ask the girl, what happened? What did you want to tell me? What do you want to tell me? Nothing like that. All you could do was pew to the house, boom. But I love what he did at the end. He took the girl's name, alright? Meet and greet with Metro and Django. And people started calling the girl now. The girl disturbing the girl. That was the plan, Sha. That was the plan. The boy wants people to disturb her. Since you just called me all the way from Ikeja to Yanakpaja to tell me that I look too much like Metro. You dey whine. But it's good for the boy. It's good for the boy. What was he even thinking? What? Man. Be strong no matter what you're passing through. You know, it is just going to be temporal. You know, as time goes on, you see yourself coming out from anything you are passing that you won't change. You actually see yourself, you know, elevating. With this video, I think it will help you a lot. So guys, I believe you enjoyed this comedy video. We're going to see you guys on our next update. Happy New Year. Have a wonderful day.